Hi, everybody. This is Jeff from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And I am going to step into setting up a Z11 Pro Max. Some of the best settings. I want to introduce some of the best settings, some of the applications that I choose to run and the reason behind them. And this all came to fruition because I guess it's Comagen 2000 asked me a few days ago, could you make a video on the Z11 Pro or Pro Max to find out how to have the best settings for the box for maximum performance? Now, in the next couple of videos, I don't know everything, but I know what works for me. And if some of these things that you watch in this playlist or these set of videos work for you, try them. Let us know how they work. I know they will work. If you find something better, just let us know. I'd love to show it or push forward. So without any further ado, let's jump in on how to set up your Z11, your Formuler Z11 or Z11 Pro Max for maximum performance.